Hey, what's up, you guys? Good morning. Okay. Why did I stop? That doesn't make any sense. Also, hi, you're gonna see me a lot in this video because this video is so confusing. Okay. I don't know how much I'm going to film today because today I'm going to Hurricane Harbor with my friends, and you can't bring your phone into Hurricane. Well, you can, but like I don't want to get my phone destroyed because I love my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna try to film. So yeah.
Shuffling your music.
No! I'm so mad at Alexa. Alexa, shuffle my playlist mood.
Shuffling your music.
No! She finally did after 400 years. Good job, Alexa. I really like watermelon. I got watermelon flip-flops and a watermelon towel from Five Below because I didn't know what else to get, so. What am I doing? I don't know. No, I can't find the water bottles. So, this is my swimsuit. I don't like swimsuits. So, right now I'm home alone. So, it's fun. The Office.
Got it for Ryan. Wanted to get all the places you'll go, but they're sold out.
It's not. Different. It's a good book.
Mwah, mwah.
What was that?
Leaving Pennsylvania.
Oh.
Chickens. No wait, it's not that hand. We're special. We got, yeah. We're eating. What?
My face is burning.
Okay. Okay. Welcome. Welcome to my mukbang with, Lacey, Mason, and Gracie. My face hurts. I'm not looking in the mirror, Mason. What are you doing? Welcome to my mukbang. Trisha Paytas, I'm coming for your brand. Coming out of my nose. It's been everywhere. It like went up. That was the weirdest feeling. I would like the Supreme. Yum. No, wait. So loud. Lacey's running and she's been filming for like 5 hours now. Hi. He's saying hi. Saying hi. He's up there. Wait, why don't you say hi again? See, he did it. I tried something new and fresh. I tried the dill Pringles and the double stuffed Oreos.
Wait, watch me eat a
Oreo
chip.
Oreos.
I'm gonna eat a chip. Look at her eat a chip.
I made some new food combinations.
I got water out of my nose like a
Gordon Ramsay, please,
hire me.
yeah, hire me. My new invention, Pringles and double stuffed Oreos.
That was disgusting.
What was it?
I chased birds around.
She chased birds around.
Oh my gosh, I forgot the Harry Potter theme song. What is it?
Do 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 do.
Oh,
Harry Potter has a theme song.
I'm living my best life.
You're 0%.
Squad is so good.
I don't know where John went in this vlog, but I literally have no footage of him being with us. He was there, so Wow, I am really sunburned. My shoulders.
Anything from like March and April. Like the only thing I knew is going over to people's houses.
Like, oh, my hair's a mess. Same. I'm a mess, anyways. But like, I'm very sunburned. I've snorted like a lot. I'm very scared. It may just be like a bunch of water getting into my nose, but
Oh, I'm sunburned.
why am I scared? Am I okay? What is happening? I literally, what? John left without saying goodbye.
R.I.P. I'm like lonely. That rhymes.
Wow, I look like I have no hair.
I look like I just got out of the cemetery. Like like I just got out of a grave. Like I just climbed out. Like, you're not even recording.
No, because I don't like record like 5 million.
My eyes hurt.
Okay. We're finally done.
I thought I got something on my shirt.
Finally done. We're all burnt.
What was
We're all pieces of toast.
what was your review?
7 out of 10.
Okay, what was your review?
8 out of 10.
Your review?
Bring more sunscreen. Yes.
Yes. I give it, my feet hurt like crazy, I'm dehydrated, and I have 20 sunburns out of 10. I'm hungry, I'm tired.
I'm ready to leave because I'm so sunburned. I'm afraid my skin is gonna peel
Burst out of 10.
roast.
I'm just kidding, Six Flags. I love you. Look how clear it looks. Like that's crazy. Mason, you jump in.